Hello everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to save ChatGPT conversations. First of all, to get started, log in your ChatGPT account. Click on the top left corner and you can see your conversations. Choose a conversation you want to save. After that, click on the three dots and copy link it. And come back to Google Chrome. Paste the link in the search box. Now click on three dots and click on share. Now swipe below and you can see the print icon. Print it and it will be saved in your device as a PDF. And if you want to download it, you can click on the download button to save it in a gallery.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.